Good morning. Welcome to Papa John's World. Every Tuesday, I do a little welding class with the young man I live next to. He's 12 years old, and he comes over for an hour and a half, and we're doing basic gas welding. So we went over the safeties and what causes fire and a lot of that information. And he's lighting the torch and he's gas welding on his own and turning the torch off, and he's doing quite well. We've been doing it for about 3 months now. Here's some of his work. This is just gas weld beads, fusion. This is a fusion weld where you're just melting it together, and this is another one where he's melting it together, and this is by far the best one that he did that day. And then this one is he added rod, so he's holding the torch in one hand and feeding rod in the other. You can see it's a little bigger weld, and he's working on his even ability. So we're working on that. And then this is one that I did with a filler rod, and it's gas welded. So Nathan's doing really well, and he'll continue to do that. Today we're starting something different. So he doesn't use the grinder and stuff like that, because you can just, he's just a little bit young for that, I think. But as you cut everything, you know, it gets that really nasty burr. So today we're gonna let him take the burr off these little pieces of angle iron. And in today's class, we're gonna re-weld those together and make little boxes out of them. We're also gonna make a box like this. We're going to tack the sides, and then we're going to tack a piece on top, and we're going to weld that all the way around and just make little 1-inch blocks. Today he's going to start learning about a file, and I'm going to quit grinding all of his stuff for him.
Oh, this one's better. That's better. No, it's not better.
A lot of sparks there.
Yeah, it's more fast. It looked good though for a minute. Oof.
Oh, it looks like you're doing pretty good.
Yeah, this is different, that's for sure. I feel that. Alright, well, I made a bubble.
Oh. That's the first fusion weld right there. Pretty good. Still red hot.
Yeah, I bet.
Then this is the second one. It's still really good. That looks nice, Nathan. Good job.
Alright.
Wow, really good job. This looks really nice.
Well, that's nice and all. I feel like I could do a little bit better though.
Do you?
I mean, for one, it's a little...
Well, it's because it was so hot.
Yeah.
Welding them hot's a little different than welding them, but it does look pretty nice.
I like welding them
How
hot
smooth
too.
that is.
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
The tack's on this kind of metal or something. Like the way that it's sucking.
Things say that and that gets you.
starting to look like that guy on YouTube's cast. The rings on it a little bit.
How about that? Good job.
Ooh, that's probably gonna be kind
They just stay steady.
I
Yeah.
actually like that.
Yeah, you ought to like that. That looks pretty darn nice. Make that and that good too.
I'll try.
Okay.
It's a little lopsided, I can see.
Maybe something to be proud of.
Okay, alright. Ooh, that's pretty darn good, I'd say. I don't know. You might have started out a little bit.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll let that cool off a little bit. I want to
It
get
got
it.
wider. It did.
Yeah,
Because
because it's hot. It's
Yeah.
hot. I wanted to get a good picture of that.
Tip up.
Yeah, turn that off for a second. That one is welded so nice you can even barely see it. That is a beautiful weld. You needed to finish it just a hair though, but we can fix that. We can fix that
we will.
here in a minute when we weld that top on. More gas.
Now
Just a little more gas. Right about probably there. And oxygen to bring it back.
there we go. Alright. You can know how to fix that problem.
Other corner.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I need to fix my hole.
Yeah, up there.
Ooh, that is... Wow,
I'll turn it around. Let me tap that down for your start. Now tap that.
fill my other hole. That's a mess.
Make it look good.
Try this different. I didn't even tap it.
All the way to the corner.
Well, it's too hot. Yeah, that's bubbling all over the place.
Turn your torch down.
Alright. I don't know if it could be that much better. Alright. This is like a bad feeling.
Okay.
Oh, is there more?
No, that's it. That's the whole end. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Nothing to...
Nothing to wow.
There's a lot of people that couldn't do that, Nathan. Good job. You want to try to do the other end?
Oh, I think the reason was right here.
How's that? You tack right there? There's a gap.
Because it was too hot, that's why my welds weren't the best.
You want to let it cool a little bit, or get the other intact and then let it cool?
No, it was my torso was too hot.
Okay. There you go.
Can't wait till Christmas.
You just got over your birthday.
Yeah, that's what I love about my birthdays. Christmas is not too
hard. Let me tap it a little bit.
It's a warm, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. Here, we can put it down. You can actually start welding it now.
Oh, I gotta tack it first.
Yeah, tack and then just start welding.
Alright, this is a different one. I'm not tacking it at all. Okay, there we go. It's still
There we go. Here's Nathan's welding from today. And I just hit it with a wire brush to kind of clean it up a little bit. Really, really nice looking welds. That one's beautiful. So he's doing great. He's 12 years old.
13.
13, sorry.
It's okay.
He just had a birthday.
Yeah.
He was 12. So, man, that's awesome. Good job, Nathan. They're going to be paying you big money for this someday.
Yeah, if I get into it for 11. I don't know if I will.
Yeah, I don't blame you.